This is a quick room tour at the Bahia Principe Luxury Esmerelda. This is a junior suite on the 3rd floor, and I'll give you the tour. The main room, of course, but we walk in the door, you'll see your washroom here. So we've got shower with a rain shower head. We've got the wand as well. We've got the shampoo, the conditioner, and body or gel. Not great, but it does the trick. Unless they're picky, then bring your own, but that's what they have. Toilet here, and this little compartment as well with another shower door. Dual sinks. There is a hairdryer down here if that's something you care about. Towels. Here we've got a nice little jacuzzi tub. I haven't used it, but nice little touch. Got a window through the washroom so you can get some outdoor light in here, I guess. And we go in here, your standard closets, lots of room. You got your safe. And there's an iron in here. Lots of storage space. All right, there's an umbrella for when it rains, the slippers. And we'll go through the rest of the room. Beds, I got these canopy beds, which I guess are a design feature, but I don't know, they kind of make the room look small. And when you're watching TV, you gotta watch TV through these posts, but not a big deal. I'm not really watching that much TV. So there's a TV, nice little bench, good place to put on your shoes and whatnot. Got our control for the air conditioning, works really well. You also can control that from the TV, which is kind of neat. Over here we've got a coffee maker, the mini bar with beer, water, some snacks. I got peanuts and some juices. There's a little sitting area. Got the couch, tables, chairs, and ceiling fan if you prefer that to a air conditioning, and of course outside. So I'll show you this nice little balcony. Chair here, a couple of chairs, table with ashtray, and the view from this particular room, we're looking over the pool on the other side of the resort. So there you have it, the quick room tour with the Bahia Principe Luxury Esmerelda here in Punta Cana. I'm enjoying my time here. I think you'll enjoy it as well too. A good choice.